Aloha, this is Kukui'ula with Island Pursuits. Today we're here at Polihale. This is my backyard. I grew up right around the corner here. And this is the beginning of the Nepali coastline here. It's the longest sand beach in the nation. It goes all the way around the corner. I think it's like 17 miles long. The waves are beautiful during the summer. In the wintertime, it gets really huge. We have a family out here, and this is one of the typical things that we do. We bring out our surfboards, our stand-up paddles, boogie boards, sand toys. We're just enjoying the day. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Kukui'ula. Aloha and mahalo.